Healthy cooking methods for beets.
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing some healthy cooking methods to prepare beets. Beets are not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients, making them a great addition to any balanced diet. So let's dive in and explore the best ways to cook these vibrant root vegetables to retain their nutritional value and bring out their natural flavors.
Roasting for intense flavor.
Roasting beets is a fantastic way to intensify their flavor and create a rich, caramelized taste. Here's how you can do it. 1. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. 2. Wash the beets thoroughly, and trim off the greens and root ends. 3. Wrap each beet individually in aluminum foil, ensuring they are fully sealed. 4. Place the wrapped beets on a baking sheet and roast in the preheated oven for about 45 to 60 minutes, or until they become tender when pierced with a fork. 5. Remove the beets from the oven and let them cool slightly. 6. Peel off the skin by gently rubbing it with a paper towel or using a knife. 7. Slice, dice, or use the roasted beets as desired in your recipes. Roasted beets are excellent in salads, side dishes, or even as a standalone snack.
Steaming for nutrient retention.
Steaming is a healthy cooking method that helps retain the nutrients and vibrant color of beets. Follow these steps to steam your beets. 1. Peel the beets and cut them into evenly sized pieces. 2. Place a steamer basket or colander over a pot of boiling water, ensuring the water doesn't touch the bottom of the basket. 3. Add the beet pieces to the steamer basket, cover with a lid, and steam for approximately 15 to 20 minutes or until the beets are tender. 4. Remove the steamed beets from the heat and let them cool. 5. Serve the steamed beets as a side dish, in salads, or incorporate them into other recipes. Steamed beets retain their vibrant color, delicate texture, and nutritional benefits.
Boiling for versatility.
Boiling is a versatile cooking method that allows you to prepare beets for various recipes. Here's how you can boil beets. 1. Peel the beets and cut them into small or medium-sized pieces. 2. Place the beet pieces in a pot and cover them with water. 3. Bring the water to a boil over medium-high heat. 4. Reduce the heat to medium-low and simmer the beets for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until they are tender when pierced with a fork. 5. Drain the cooked beets and let them cool before using them in your preferred dishes. Boiled beets can be used in soups, stews, smoothies, or simply enjoyed as a nutritious side. And there you have it. We've explored some healthy cooking methods for preparing beets. Whether you prefer the intense flavor of roasted beets, the nutrient retention of steaming, or the versatility of boiling, each method offers its own unique benefits. Feel free to get creative and incorporate these cooking techniques into your culinary adventures. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!